Hi everyone, I'm here today to tell you about this next activity. It's a reading and writing activity and it's based on the book The Mystery of Mano Hole. Before reading, you start doing these games, vocabulary game 1 and vocabulary game 2. You click on the link and then you play the game. For example, you have pirate here, and then you match it with pirate. Or maybe you have seagull here, and then you match it with the seagull here, and so on. So do these games more than once so that you learn the words and the verbs very well, and they will help you understand the story that you are going to read. So you go through the story, you go on, read, and then here you have some other games. And click on the link. You have questions. What you have to do is answer the question. Where does Uncle Henry live, for example? In a skyscraper? No, that's the wrong answer. The right one is in a big house. You can try again, okay? And then you start again all over. So, where does Uncle Henry live? In a big house, and then you can go on. After that, you have another game here, and it's always the same procedure. You click on the link and do the game. Of course, again, you can do the game as many times as you want to. Then you keep on reading. You read and read and read, and then again here you have another game. You click on the link and you do the game. Then you go on reading, and here there are some other games. When you have finished reading the book, it's your turn. And who is your favorite character and why? You click on the link here, click on this link. Go to your class, for example 1B, or if you are part of class 1E, here it is. And according to your number, you write your favorite character and you talk about him or her physically and about his or her personality. When you finish doing this, you have a challenge. Add a chapter to the story. So, you imagine to be a writer, and what you have to do is to add a chapter to continue the story. How does the story go on? Then it's up to you. Again, you click on this link here. Again, you choose your class, 1B or 1E, and then according to your number, you add and write your story, okay? Keep in mind that you will get a prize for the best chapters, and in September, when we go back to school, you will have a quiz in class on the book, and again, you will have prizes. So, enjoy reading, have fun with the activities, and have a very nice summer holidays, all of you.